Wow, it's already April. I can't believe that time passes so fast, because I just remember sitting here talking about New Year's Eve and now it's already April. Wow. So it's nearly springtime and that means I need new spring fashion. So I received this bag today and I will unbox this bag, and in the meantime I will show you the look that I'm wearing right now. So my dress in this look today is from Pretty Little Things, and also these items. A lot, so I have to try on a lot of things for you. So let's start with the first combination, because I wanted to have a shiny skirt look. So this is a vinyl skirt with a pretty ending, and I combined this one with a bodysuit. So this is a very simple one, but I think this looks very much like a summer, and I just love this black combination very much. The only thing is the skirt is not that much stretchy like it could be, but this is just a little downside, but I just love this combination. And the vinyl skirt, I have a second combination for that one. This a vinyl bodysuit. Well, it's just a simple bodysuit, also not that much stretchy. A lot of vinyl from the back side, and the front it makes a huge cleavage, so that is really something why I love vinyl. And this look in total looks very vinyl looky. So this is more like an evening look for a party and not for every day. So then, first time I ordered some of these lashes also at Pretty Little Things. So I just try to get used to wearing more of these kind of lashes. So it's a 5-pack of black glue, and these they go without glue. So I'm pretty curious how they just work. The next one is a pretty dress. So I can tell you that this is one of my favorite outfits from this order. So I just think the material is just beautiful, and also the cleavage is perfect, and also at the bottom I just love how the cut is like a little bit more this kind of X style, and I think this is really just beautiful for some nice evenings. I would wear this dress a lot, and maybe combine it with different kinds of tights and pantyhoses also. So all black, and now we get some color, at least some animal print style. So this is a bodycon dress also. I selected a lot of bodycon dresses because I just love this style, and I usually wear 36 in my size, so it's UK 8, and it is body tight and it fits just perfect, but I just think it looks beautiful, and that's why I love to wear these kind of dresses a lot. So this also matches to a lot of tights, and this is also one of my favorites from this order. I have some favorites, but you will see in the set. So let's continue with the next one, because I think this is more like an evening style. The animal print style could be also perfect for just a daytime dress. But this is, because of the cleavage, it would be just for the evening in my eyes. So it has long sleeves and the perfect length, and I just think it looks beautiful. In most of the styles, I prefer to wear some kind of pasties and not a bra, but you can do that like how you like it too. But in summertime, sometimes it's much nicer. The next one, this is really also very simple black dress, but very summer style because of the back and the front. It shows a little bit a side boob, but just a little bit, and it just it has this kind of neck thing, so it's not as tight as I thought that it would look. So that was a little bit of a surprise, but I have a very small neck, so I couldn't complain about that. It has a side slit at the leg, so I think this is really a nice summer dress, a body tight summer dress. So I'm not that huge fan of some wide summer dresses, so I always would prefer these kind of styles. So much better. So the next one is just perfect for this combination. I will show you in a second, because this is just a simple tube dress, and I think this is really stretchy, but it has a huge side slit, so it shows a lot of legs, so I would prefer to wear it with nice tights. And at the neck, I have two different colors. The first one is a very thin one and very shiny and metal-like, so this is really just feminine and beautiful. And the second one is a little bit more bold. So this is, you can see, it's more like a vinyl style or fake leather style, but it also shimmers and shines a lot. So I can't really tell which one would last longer from the shine, but I guess the metal one. But I just love this white one, so I can't tell which one is my favorite. But I just love this whole combination. It's very feminine also, and also gives something special because of the colors. The next one. I love the cleavage of this one. And it has these nice cute rings at the sides, so this also looks special. It is more like silk, so it is not stretchy, but it fits perfect to the body, but I'm not sure how long I can sit in this dress because it is not stretchy. It has a zipper in the back side, so all the other dresses don't have zippers, but this one is also very beautiful and one of my favorites for the evening. And the next one, it is also a simple black dress, just very, very simple, and it has a high neck, so cute little arms, just very simple. And we come closer to the end, so it's not a lot. This is also just a simple dress, but this is how I wanted it to be in the summertime, just very simple. I love the back because it goes rather deep at the back and also just very simple at the front. I just love that it's just at the neck. So yeah, this is really just a summer dress. It is so tiny and small, you can take it anywhere in your luggage. So these are the dresses that I love to wear during spring and summer. And the last one. So maybe you remember my zebra dress with a silver shine. So this is more like a bronze shine, but I also love this one. It has no long sleeves, so this is more like the summer version of this dress. And it has some velvet style, it's a little bit shiny, and I just love this one. It feels so good on the skin, and I guess this is also one of my favorites. So it looks beautiful at the body, and I just love the cut. So wow, that's it. I tried to do it as quickly as possible so you could see how they look on me and get a little information about that. That would be my selection of new clothes for the next weeks, and I'm pretty happy about that, and it makes me even wanting more warm weather than we have right now. So let me know what is your favorite. Write it in the comments and give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss how I combine these dresses with different tights and different high heels and maybe boots. And of course you should follow me if I wear something different. But I will always wear something in my style. So that's it for today. Yeah, I'm happy with my new items, and we will see us very soon again. So take care